and welcome to All About Lifestyle. This is Shraddha, and those who are new to my channel, please watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon button so that you get notified with every new video. And those who have already subscribed to the channel, Namaste. So for me, interior designing is just making the best possible use of the available space. We have recently moved to this place. Since then I am designing the house into a beautiful home. So today I'll be sharing a wall makeover. There are two walls and I'll be doing a makeover for them. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to it.
This is the empty wall in between the guest room and washroom. Now I have attached the cable hooks on the wall where I am going to hang the table mats. These golden mats you have already seen in my Diwali and Christmas decor videos. You must have seen the ongoing trend of hanging plates or baskets on the wall, so in that way only I'll be hanging these mats on the wall. And yeah, I got these mats during my Diwali decor shopping. They are looking gorgeous on the wall and giving lustre also. Now on the floor I have kept the hand painted stool on which I am going to keep my favorite monstera plant, whose leaves are so different from the normal plants. Look, with the simple idea I got a superb wall makeover. I love plants and my decor is just incomplete without them. Now for the next wall I have done so many DIYs, and the first one is the bamboo planter. For this I have used a piece of bamboo and made the rectangle using marker, and this I got cut with the help of a carpenter. And at the back I made two holes for water drainage. As you can see, I got the two rectangular holes inside the bamboo planter. Now to close the two ends, I have inserted two poly bags so that there won't be any spilling of water and soil. Now in these two rectangular holes, I have added garden soil. Added some water also. Now these are pothos or money plant which I have grown through cuttings, and these are going to their new home. Now using twine, I have made the hanging planter. Next is the wooden board art, where I have taken a wooden plank and painted it white using wall primer. And when it got dry, with the help of a black marker, I have written the quote saying, "It's not how the big is the house, it's how happy is the home." These are small buttons made through newspaper and got stuck on the two edges of board with the help of a Fevicol, and then I have colored them black using black marker. Now again, using a twine, I made the hanging for this wooden plank. Here I have taken a thermocol ball and cut into two pieces and painted with golden color, and now using the toothpick I have made my porcupine. It is actually looking like a porcupine. This is very simple. You only have to insert the toothpick and it will be done. It has come out so well and it is looking like a decor piece. Now this is the last DIY, where I have taken an old fruit basket. This I got from DMart, and spray painted it into copper color. While I was spray painting it, I kept it inside the box, so there won't be any damage to other things. Now let's set the wall, and to hang the heavy planter and wooden plank, I got two nails fixed for them and hung these two things on the wall. And then to hide the ugly nails, I have fixed those DIY porcupine on the nails. And there's no rocket science in this, simply balls को nails पे दबाकर fix करना है. In the same way I have done for the planter also. See, they are looking gorgeous. Next, you must have seen the trend of hanging hats on the wall. So in the same way, I am trying to hang the hat on the wall with the help of a cable clip. Now after fixing the cable clip, the fruit basket also got the place on the wall. To add some bohemian look, I have thrown a red carpet on the floor. and added some indoor plants. There's a beautiful saying on home which says, "Your home should tell the story of who you are and be a collection of what you love." This is actually what I feel. So I've got 2 beautiful wall makeovers for you all using simple and affordable things. Hope you have liked my ideas. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon button also so that you get notified with every new video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.